Hi, I'm Shilpa, and today I'd like to share a couple of parenting skills that over the years has helped me build a very loving and understanding relationship with my children. I have two kids. My son is 19 and my daughter is 8. And my biggest revelation has been that there is no such thing as perfect parenting. I know that I had wanted to be a perfect mother, but then I realized it's just not possible. Parenting can be very overwhelming and it's a lifelong journey. So then I decided that I'm just going to be very easy on myself and have as much fun with it as possible. Parenting can also be very subjective and unique to each child, but there are a couple of things that are universally helpful. Like with my kids, I realized very early on that spending good quality time with them really helped me bond. And I mean quality over quantity because sometimes it could be just half an hour to 45 minutes. But the idea is to make sure it's non transactional time. That is, the time I spend with them, I have no agenda, no expectations, and there are no gadgets and there are no other disturbances of any kind. It's just purely us time. And for me, typically it's at night. I just lie down with them or sit with them. And once they realize that I'm there with the intention of just being there with them, they open up to me in ways that doesn't happen during the rest of the day because the rest of our time is very structured. So now this time has become our little bonding session and also our favorite time of the day. Another thing I discovered is the power of empathy. So when my kids would come to me with their issues, my initial instinct as a parent would be to jump in and fix it. I would advise them, I would say things like, oh, you know what, it's fine, it's going to be all right, don't worry about it. Or I would unknowingly judge what they were telling me, or I would talk about my past experiences. And all of this is the opposite of showing empathy, which basically means that they need me to just understand what they're going through, understand their feelings, and just be with them in that moment. So when I made that shift, two things happened. One, I created a space for them where they felt very safe to come and talk about almost anything with me because now they know they're not going to be judged or advised or any of that. And they started talking to me about more stuff. And the second thing that happened was from my end, I started getting comfortable with them feeling these uncomfortable emotions. Because as a mother, I didn't want them to feel fear or hurt or pain or anxiety or confusion, which is why I was jumping in to fix it. But when I calmed myself down and I said, okay, let them feel this, they started learning to deal with these emotions. Because now they were feeling it, they had a safe space to talk about it, and then they figured out what to do with these emotions. So these issues they were coming to me with, they started finding their own solutions for them. So these were the two really beautiful things that happened when I shifted to using empathy. I think my biggest learning as a parent has been that these things that I'm here to provide for them, like this unconditional love, support, empathy, understanding, encouragement, they need these things not only when they are performing well, not only when they are able to do the things they are supposed to do, when they are fine in their life, but also when they are not. In fact, more when they are not, when they are stumbling, when they make mistakes, when they're having issues, when all these unhealthy patterns and habits show up and they're struggling to deal with them. That's when they need my unconditional love and support the most. And that's when they need to be told that no matter what you're going through, you still deserve to be appreciated. Because you know, these mistakes and these weaknesses, you're so much more than that. And you're loved as a whole. That's when they need it the most. And what I noticed is when I started being kind with them, they learned to be kind with everyone else. And also, more importantly, they learned to be kind to themselves, which made a huge difference in how they approached life in general. So, these were the few things I wanted to share with you. I hope it's been helpful and I hope you've enjoyed watching.